Hi, this is Josh Brown, and I'm in Erlangen, Germany at the Evosys Technical Center, and we're showcasing the EVO 800 TDL, stands for large. So this is the large version of the integration module designed for inline integration into automation lines, rotary dial tables, linear conveyors, etc. This is the weld head that would go on the line, and then the rack mount system that can be placed offline, which is built up from, as you can see, the 4 modules here. We have the control system, which handles all of the machine controls, remote maintenance, PLC, etc., safety. Scanner control unit, the laser itself, and then the chiller. This can also grow in size, so you can have as many lasers as you need, additional chillers, higher laser power, etc. And the large version can go up to 150 by 150 millimeters and handle larger clamp loads and higher laser powers. If you would like more information, please feel free to visit our website at evosys-laser.com.